I'll show you a really simple way of exporting all of your layers from a Photoshop file into separated sprites ready for a sprite sheet. So it's really simple. You just go to File, Scripts, Export Layers to Files. And here you can choose where you want to save your file. I'm just going to save mine in export. And then you can choose different types of formats. I'm just going to leave mine as PNG 24. And for static sprites that aren't animated, you can trim them. But for animated sprites, don't trim them. I'll show you what to do with them next. And you can choose whether or not to process frames that are visible. So the layers that are visible will be exported and the layers that are invisible will be ignored. So we're just going to run that and be back in a second. So there we are, all the frames finished. Now I'm just going to show you what to do, or what the problem is with the animated frames. You'll see that they're all different sizes, and that will mean that the animation jumps around the page. So we'll need to delete these files. And the other little thing that Photoshop's done has automated the numbering at the beginning, and I can show you a little fix on the script to get rid of that problem if you don't like it. Otherwise you can just use a file renamer. So anyway, let's get on to that. So I'm just going to delete these animation frames and show you how to process animated frames as batch files and exporting. So see you in a second.